Gentlemen, are you tired of feeling like a baby-faced teenager and ready to grow a beard that will make you look like a man? Then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be sharing the fastest way to grow your beard in 2023. With my step-by-step guide, you'll be on your way to have a thick and healthy beard in no time. So if you're ready to ditch the razor and embrace your inner lumberjack, keep watching. The first step in growing a beard fast is to leave it alone. That's right. The best thing you can do for your beard is to resist the urge of trimming or shaping it while it's growing out. The more you mess with it, the slower it will grow. So let it be and let it grow. My next step is to focus on your diet. A healthy diet is crucial for maintaining healthy hair growth. So be sure to eat plenty of protein, vitamins, and minerals. Foods like eggs, nuts, and leafy green are great for promoting healthy hair growth. So remember, guys, that the food you eat will help a lot in boosting your hair growth. So remember to check your diet. So gentlemen, another important factor in beard growth is hydration. Make sure you drink enough water to keep your body and your beard hydrated. It will help your beard grow thicker and faster. So make sure you're drinking a lot of water, because so many times we find it difficult to drink water. So try to drink a lot of water. It is definitely going to help your beard to form well. And now this leads me to the next step, and that is use of beard oil. Use beard oil to help moisturize and nourish your hair and the skin underneath the beard and to promote a healthy growth. It also helps to reduce beard dandruff and keep your beard looking and feeling its best. So a lot of times when you have a beard and when your beard starts growing out, if you don't actually oil it and moisturize it, you start having dandruff underneath the beard. So special thanks to Wale Beauties for hooking us up with an amazing beard product. So you just use a few drops and then you massage it in your hands and apply it on your beard. And make sure you try to get it to the base of your skin and make sure you get it nice and clean. So speaking of beard oil, guys, if you want to check out my personal beard oil, the product I use for my beard, check the first link in the description. And make sure you get an amazing deal on that, because they are the ones sponsoring this video. So shout out to Wale Beauty for hooking us up with amazing beard oil. They also have beard shampoo and beard balm. So make sure you check the link in the description to get yourself an amazing deal on beard product, because you are definitely going to need it to keep an amazing beard. Lastly, consider using a beard supplement. These supplements are specifically formulated to promote healthy beard growth and can give your beard the boost it needs to grow fast and thick. So guys, you can try out some beard supplements. It will also help you to improve your beard growth and the way it looks. Well, I personally, I don't use it, so I cannot recommend any for you, but I encourage you to try out some beard growth. So just go online or go to your nearest pharmacy around you and ask them for some beard growth supplements. So gentlemen, those are the 5 steps to grow your beard fast in 2023. Remember, the key to a thick and healthy beard is patience and consistent care. So follow this step by step. Before you know it, you're rocking a beard that would make any lumberjack proud. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. And always remember, gents, you are the prize.